Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to get dice or free dice in Monopoly Glow 2025, both for your iPhone and PC. So there is only one method I'm going to teach you for today, and it's going to be a very quick one. So this can be made on your Android devices, your iPhone devices, or even your PC, alright? If you're using your MacBook, of course, this also affect you, or this also include you on this step. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, you need to go to your Play Store or your App Store. On my end, I'm just going to go to the Play Store right there or App Store and simply type in here Monopoly Go. As you can see, I do not have Monopoly Go just yet. So my purpose in showing you this one is that you need to update your Monopoly Go if you have one. Just simply click on update on that part right there. And once it says open, just simply open up your Monopoly Go. Because we're going to need something inside it for this tutorial. Now, other than that, let's go to a browser. You can use your Google Chrome, you can use your Safari, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you want. Just get into the internet. So once in there, type in here AppSnake. As you can see right here, this should be the website you should be looking for. Inside AppSnake, you're gonna see a lot of applications. Just to look for. There we have it, Monopoly Go. All right. So on this application, you just need to enter your user ID. Now, if you can't find it, you can just go to Settings, and then basically under the Legal button, there should be a user ID version. Just copy that one and then paste it on this platform. That means this platform will give you a series of tasks, meaning you can just need to download some applications, watch some advertisements or ads, and your dice will come up to your Monopoly Go. It's gonna be easy as that, okay? So, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.